How to make image scroll with type in Wix Studio. So I have in here this particular image. Let me click on it and then click onto this open inspector icon. From in there, we can go over it here to the design. You can see in here the size, scale properties, background, borders, and we also have in here this position type. You can expand that and you can make it sticky or pinned. So for this case, I'll just choose in here position type for the default. Now we also have in here this animation effects. So the best way to actually make it scroll with sight is to head over and then choose in here a scroll animation. Click onto this and click onto this ad. From in there, choosing here the animation type, it can be in or out. So that way, it will actually scroll with sight when you actually do this particular animation type. So this will be triggered through this particular way when you open your actual site. So that's how you make image scroll with sight in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.